Got a dilemma here. So I've got a banjo, and these things are pretty heavy. This is the Deering Eagle 2. Anyway, they're really heavy, and if you put them on a regular stand with a neck grab on it, they want to tip forward on you. So these are good, except as you can see here, the banjo could touch this and get scratched. So what I did, or what I'm gonna do, first off, I got some adhesive rubber padding that I stuck on here, which is just neoprene strip adhesive, 3-inch wide by 1/4 inch thick. And then I'm gonna take a piece of leather that I had in an old box of stuff, and I'm gonna wrap this around here and stitch it up to kind of make this a little bit more durable. I think this might kind of wear over time. It'd probably look better too. Sometime later, got a little bit of leather going on up here. I need to tuck that under a little bit to hide the stitching on the back side. Nobody's gonna see that. Bunch of knots there I need to trim off. So you take a piece of leather, do it any way you want. I'm just sitting here on the couch watching TV, but hand stitch down the sides, got a drawstring on each side, and then what I'll do is I'll put this around there, tuck all this underneath where you can't see it, go around like that, tie it from behind, and then I'll just kind of stitch down the sides, and it'll be fine, and it won't stand out on stage, won't draw attention to anything. Sometime later, here's our final product. I ran out of the correct color string, but it's going to be on the back side. Still can operate that, just barely. Don't need to, but anyway, you know, nothing distracting there. So we take our banjo, now there's nothing gonna scratch the back of that banjo. And then the other thing that's kind of cool, because the banjo is so heavy, you can set it any way you want to. And you think it's gonna fall over. So if you want to be a little bit distracting, I suppose you could. But anyway, problem solved.